Elon Musk fires back after Elizabeth Warren calls him out again over taxes. I saw this on Twitter. She was like, how can we have people like Elon Musk paying $0 in taxes? The world's richest people. And he's not the only one. Jeff Bezos, another one of the richest in the world. He pays less taxes than a public school teacher or a firefighter. And people, they look at these type of messages and they're like, what? How dare they? And they, it's a natural kind of response because you're like, I'm paying all the tax.
Right.
What kind of fancy moves are going on here?
Is it because of the way that their company is set up?
Of course
just
it
being
is.
the owner?
It's because
they don't have like a tax bracket or anything?
They got a whole floor full of accountants and they're like, you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Acme, you know what I'm talking about? I'm talking about Looney Tunes.
Yeah.
When they're pumping out the anvils.
Yeah.
In comical fashion.
It's like the sound of industry.
Yeah.
It's like the sound. Anyway, that's what's going on in the accounting floor for these type of guys. They employ 2,700 people that are making sure, so they're paying those people instead of the tax. And yeah, man, they find all kinds of payment packages and things and ways around it. Anyway, he recently paid a bunch of tax, Elon. And maybe she didn't get the update, or maybe she doesn't care. But he replied to this tweet by saying, I will visit IRS next time I'm in D.C. just to say hi, since I paid the most taxes ever in history for an individual last year. Maybe I can have a cookie.
He loves to...
Shots fired.
Yeah.
Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
You're talking about provocateur?
Exactly.
Like we said last
Yeah.
time. Other people had other versions, other words that they preferred to that. I don't know about Bezos, but yeah, definitely recently he paid a bunch. Oh, did he respond to her previous tweet? Is that why we have another one here? Yes. And if you opened your eyes for 2 seconds, you would realize I will pay more taxes than any American in history this year. Yeah, he doesn't like the tax comments from Elizabeth Warren. They got their own thing going on. He keeps getting called out by name. You know how he wanted Biden to say Tesla?
Yeah.
He's sick of Warren saying Musk.
Yeah.
He's over it. He's like, listen, where's my cookie?
Yeah.
Billions and billions.
He gave a bunch to charity too recently, right?
Yeah, but he didn't disclose what the charities were. So now you know what Warren's going to say about that.
Yeah.
She's going to say, dun, dun, dun,